What about making money online watching videos? Now watch this video until the end as I open for you sites to watch videos and make money at home. It is still dark here, and let me just jump in and show you what it's all about. Though the vehicles are too much here and this is just a dark day in Nairobi, let me show you now on the screens on how to make money using videos. I need to show you. This one is called FeaturePoints.com. This app will show you a lot of things that you'll go about, and here we are on its first phase that I've just logged in. And if you do want to sign up, just search the word FeaturePoints.com and start signing up, register with your email address and start finding your due. What I want to advise on this app is that when you first sign up, you will be given 10 points just for signing up. There are so many things that you can do here, more activities that completing surveys, and then you see I have my name there because this one is my profile. Let me check. Let me first of all click on the earning on the future points. And now what I want you to do is when you come on this one here is first of all when you first complete this task to get the most out of the future points, there are 2 out of 6, and then there are several things you need to go through here, like when 10 minutes to answer questions that you you'll earn 90 points, 15 minutes new survey 120 points. Though the surveys have good money, but I don't advise you to go for the surveys, but I will suggest that you go for videos. Where do we find videos? Now when you come to your feature here, let me show you the screenshot where you get back to the activity. Now when you go to the activities, you'll find that there's everything here for you. Now you choose the app, surveys, videos, offers and cash back visit. Now what you have to do is make sure you click on the videos. Let's see, click on the videos. Now the videos are here. Now it's still loading up. Now when you check on the videos, please let me advise you that you can have these videos play on your gadget while you just do other things, and then you earn points. Then you can convert your points to earnings. These points you can redeem them to your mobile phone, to your phone, like through Skrill. You can also do this. This company has been there since 2012 by watching only videos. Don't go to any other thing, because this one is just real, and you'll get money by watching videos. As I said before, the offers are on Offer Toro. You can click on Offer Toro, and when you go to Offer Toro, let me see, where is the Offer Toro? Now this one is still loading up. You find the videos will come here with different companies. You'll be given 6 companies to watch their videos, and always make sure you log in every day and watch these videos. You can just have different videos playing on your computer if you have a computer, or just play it on your phone. You can download the app and sign up and start making money. Check out some of my videos that I've made for you on making $20 per day working from home. At the same time, do you want to learn how to make videos? And the one I make here, get the video down on description box. At the same time, easy voiceover research where they pay $15 to $20 per hour. These videos are all down here. If you haven't watched, then go back and watch them and improve your skills online. Subscribe and hit the bell. Okay, the second app I need to share with you today is called AppNana. This site or this app will help you earn money on watching videos. Now on this one here today, you'll find that when you download it, it can be downloaded on your iPhone or on your Android, or whether you're using which type of phone, it will just download. You can get it on Google Play. Now this app here, it helps you to earn points, and their points are called Nana points. You see, now I recommend that when you install this one here, it's free of charge. You don't have to pay anything. They say that in cash in your nanas for great rewards, apps, iTunes, Amazon, and gift cards, and so much. You see, this is how it looks like. Now, what happens is the new feature that has been introduced on these points is that you can redeem the points and download them through Skrill, PayPal, or Signer, or bank account, according to what you wear. Now, when you log into AppNana, when you sign up on AppNana, you will be needed to, you can share your link or the code on social media, and people, when they sign up, you earn more points. Now, this one here, we have a lot of because of time, I will not go back to the videos, but there is another recommended part where you check on the videos. Let me see, you can check on the PayPal, you can check on the videos, and the videos that are there, I want you to watch the videos, because the videos, you can play them on the background without you interrupting. Who will know that you are watching? If someone doesn't know that you are watching, you can just play them, leave the phone there and play them. Like if you have internet, you just leave it playing, and then at the end of the day, you'll earn more points and redeem points to your Skrill or PayPal and get paid. Okay, before we check into what it's all about, you see, when I mention about watching videos and earning online, this is a true and it's a proven way of how to earn money while at home. Now let's check this. How much you can earn by only 10 videos. You have $25. At $25, so the more you watch more videos, the more you stand a chance of getting yourself more money. Like now here, when you get 20 videos watched, you get $75 to your account, 30 videos to $150, 40 videos to $300. That's good money for you to start over. That's the best way for you to make money, and this one is just 100 free. Now check this AppNana again. Let's now see the way it's working. You see, you earn what you call, as I said, the Nana points. Now when you get the Nana points, you can redeem these points and download them to your Skrill, as I said, to everything. I just want to show you this screenshot so you can understand that this app, it does well pay you while at home. This is the only way we make money online. So when you are there, you have your smartphone, you have everything, and remember, as I said, this app, you'll earn money while you're just at home. You leave your gadget playing, and then you have your things. Now that is an important point. Make sure you leave it play while you're just working at home. Do your other chores. Maybe you are cooking, maybe you're making some beautiful meal for yourself, or you're just working on other things on your computer in your office or something, and then you earn what you call Nana points. You see, now when you get rewarded, these points, you'll reach a point and then you redeem them to your account, that is Skrill, PayPal, or just through your bank account. So make sure you refer. At the same time, you can play, you have the code, you can go there and then share it on your Twitter, on Facebook. This code, when your friends will play or will watch the video, you earn more points. Another beautiful app, and the one that you can now earn money online just with your phone or your computer at home, is installing an app on Android or iOS in any country that you want. But at the end of this video, I'll share with you a trick that you will discover that you can earn money anywhere in the world with these apps. Just follow what I'm saying at the end of this video, and don't forget to subscribe, because when you subscribe, you'll get every time I publish every video. Let me tell you, most people believe that without just working hard and going into each and every hard work is when you can earn money. With the best internet that is about to come to Kenya very soon, we shall have internet all over. Make sure that you learn all these online ventures and make money while at home. I'm giving you these tips for free, and I've started this packaging myself up, and this one is for free of you so that you get this knowledge before anyone else. So make sure you subscribe. Part of me, when I started out working as a freelancer and as a radio presenter and at the same time radio producer, I never knew that one of these fine days I'll be most important thing, it will be working online. But today this one has given me freedom of moving anywhere I wish, because I earn my money just secretly like that. Have you ever thought of earning money without people knowing? Not necessarily going to the bank and withdrawing, but getting your money online through Square, through PayPal, through money transfers, international money transfers. Now, let's come back to our trailer app. This app, when you check it here, the trailer app, it looks like it has a lot of reviews. It has 3.8k people who have downloaded it. You see, let's check it out, what it's all about. So make sure you subscribe and click the bell as part of your thing. Now let's check out how it works on our Google Play Store. App trailers are apps that are going to help you to crack down, because they have the VPN accessible, so you can access it. You can put the location as United States or United Kingdom, London or New York or Ohio or Ohio. It depends with where you want to locate yourself, because check it out, it has the 4.2 stars, and this one, it's good. You see, check out the reviews and you'll find it has been downloaded how many times? 42,592, which means it has been there for long. And I need you to download this, because it is going to be one of our best apps that we're going to use for the next app, so that we can start working online. When you have downloaded this app, it's going to help you to earn money even if you are anywhere in the world, because it's going to clear out the VPN for you to get the jobs done. Once you have put this, now you can go ahead and download other apps that have restrictions in the United States or anywhere. That's why they have written here that this item is not available in your country. But listen, make sure you have this app, download this app, and then watch this video to the end, because I'll give you a tip that you have never heard of. Check out some of my videos that I've made for you on making $20 per day working from home. At the same time, do you want to learn how to make videos? And the one I make here, get the video down on description box. At the same time, easy voiceover research where they pay $15 to $20 per hour. These videos are all down here. If you haven't watched, then go back and watch them and improve your skills online. Subscribe and hit the bell.